Hello and welcome. Today, we'll explore some lovely ideas for hosting a cozy Christmas tea party. Whether you're planning a small gathering with friends or a relaxed afternoon with family, these simple yet charming setups will help create a warm and festive atmosphere. Let's get started. Fall tree and ornament setup. Set the stage with a fall Christmas tree as a centerpiece. Pair it with large ornaments, white porcelain tableware, and red textiles. Finish the look with a bundt cake for a festive touch. Red candles and colored glassware. Arrange red candles as focal points and pair them with white porcelain, a delicious cake, fresh fruit, and colorful jugs and glasses. This classic setup exudes warmth and holiday cheer. Plaid and gingerbread charm. Use a plaid table runner and printed napkins to add a bold touch. Add tabletop Christmas trees and gingerbread houses or cookies to complete this fun and whimsical theme. Natural tree slice placemats. Incorporate tree slice placemats on a neutral table runner for a rustic feel. Red and white bowls, tabletop trees, and natural textures will add a cozy, welcoming vibe. Low picnic table with greenery. Set up a low picnic-style table with eucalyptus garlands and colorful plates. Add a gingerbread house centerpiece and plush pillows for seating. This cheerful layout is perfect for a casual tea party. Star-shaped accessories. Adorn your table with printed porcelain, red candles, and star-shaped bowls. Pair with printed textiles to enhance the festive atmosphere. Festive mug place settings. Prepare individual mugs with marshmallows, a napkin, and small ornaments. These work beautifully as both decor and a treat for your guests. Elegant candy cane place settings. Set a chic tone with white printed porcelain, simple white napkins, and candy canes as accents. This minimalist approach is timeless and sophisticated. Rustic pine cone tablescape. Combine a red table runner, red candles, and wooden candle holders with pine cones. Neutral napkins and cinnamon sticks complete this earthy, natural setting. Evergreens and candy canes. Create a vibrant tablescape using evergreens, red candles, white plates, and candy canes as accents. It's festive and easy to put together. Greenery and allium mix. Mix greenery with allium flowers for a unique touch. Add printed plates, bowls of sweets, and candles to create a cozy and inviting look. Printed porcelain simplicity. Pair printed porcelain with simple glassware and evergreens. Add candle holders for a cute and effortless holiday tablescape. Tiered stand tea station. Set up a tea station with doilies, white printed porcelain, and a tiered stand filled with cookies and sweets. Add bottled brushed Christmas trees for a whimsical touch. Bundt cake and pine cones. Use evergreens, a bundt cake, candles, and sweets to style your tea table. Printed textiles and scattered pine cones add depth and texture. Classic red and green setup. Combine red, green, and white printed porcelain with cakes and sweets. Red napkins tie the look together beautifully. Silver and berries elegance. Create a colorful table using stands and plates with sweets, a silver coffee pot, and greenery with berries. This setup feels luxurious yet welcoming. Printed runner and mini trees. Use a printed runner, red chargers, white porcelain, and red napkins. Add mini trees and red candle holders with candles for a bold, cohesive look. Pomegranates and wood slices. Arrange pillar candles on stands with greenery and pomegranates. Pair with wood slice placemats, white porcelain, and festive sweets. Cozy pine cone table. Style your table with tree slice placemats, printed porcelain, evergreens, and pine cones. Add candles for a warm and cozy finish. hope these ideas inspire you to host a magical Christmas tea party filled with warmth and joy. Remember, it's the small, thoughtful details that create lasting memories for you and your loved ones. Thank you for watching, and I wish you a cozy and festive holiday season. See you next time.